Hello, I'm making a series of videos about my trip to Tokyo in 2012. So the video that you're watching right now is part 11 of this trip. If you want to learn more and you want to know why I went to Tokyo in 2012 and why I'm sharing this now in 2024, then I recommend that you watch part 1, which is the introduction to this series of videos. I'm going to read some of the notes that I wrote in 2012. Lundi 6 août 2012. Skype de 5h30 à 6h30. So the house was somewhere there. I walked to Kosuge Station. Oh, that is my face. I am right outside the house. So I'm leaving for school. I don't know if you can see well, but I have a little bag, little sling bag, and a big backpack. So I'm going to talk about bags in Tokyo, because I think that in Tokyo it's really big. It's a really big city. So right now, for example, I'm going to school in the morning. I can't afford basically to go back home for lunch. I have all my things. I have my school things, paper, all that, pens and all that, because I have 3 trains to take. So I can't allow myself to go back home to put everything back. And you walk a lot in Tokyo. So I've noticed that a lot of people had like 2 bags because it's really more convenient. There are things that you need during the day. So for example, I need my school things. So a lot of girls, for example, they have 2 bags. One is like a handbag for like the metro card, the wallet and all these things. And another bag, so for example with the bento, the lunch. Yeah, I was fascinated by the bags and the way of living, basically the organization that you need like in such a big city. So right now, for example, I have 2 bags because I need my school things in the morning, but it's going to bother me the entire day because I'm not going to need them in the afternoon. So I will have things in my bag, on my back, but I need to have my little things for other things, like for example my second lens, a bottle of water, maps, my wallet, this sort of things that you need to take out of the bag every 3 seconds. So it's not really convenient if you have everything in a big bag, because I'm just too lazy, for example, to get my second lens if it's like in the big bag behind me. So having everything in one big bag is not really convenient, and that's a better, because I have the file, the folder for school, so it's annoying. So yeah, I've noticed people having like 2 bags or like several bags depending on the activities of their day. Because when you leave in the morning, that's for the entire day, so you need to carry everything with you. Yeah, carrying this in my hands. I think it wasn't really that convenient in the end to have 2 bags. Like, it's always a problem, isn't it, to find a perfect bag? It's still something I haven't figured out to this day, trying to find the perfect bag configuration. I took 3 different trains from Kosuge Station to Shinokubo Station. And then I walked from Shinokubo Station to Kai Japanese Language School. À l'école jusqu'à 13h. Vers environ 14h30 ou 15h, départ de l'école avec Louis, direction le Pokémon Center, Shodome Minatoku, jusqu'à environ 16h ou 17h. Okay, how about I look for all the Pokémon places and which one is in... So that should be in the Pokémon Company is there. Maybe it's not there anymore. Maybe it has changed. I don't know. You know what? I don't know which one that is. No Pokemon store or Pokemon Center near Shiodome. Maybe it has been closed since then. Oh, that's Louis taking a photo of me. Dear God. Okay, Louis is having fun, I see. Louis is having fun. God, this t-shirt is terrible. Shinokubo, yeah. So that's the station near the school. Yeah, he said, I think it's rush hour. Yeah, it is rush hour. People just leaving their umbrella there. Cars parked on 2 levels. Nice car. Oh yeah, the umbrellas there, as you can see, you have 2 different ladies with their umbrellas. It's for the sun, not for the rain. Pokemon Center. Yeah. And you can see all around people on their what are those Game Boys? Nintendos? Don't know. Yeah, look at all the people playing. That is fantastic. Yay! What's that face? Puis direction la maison avec un arrêt par le marché de Ueno. So then I went back towards Kosuge, which is there, but I stopped on my way to Ueno Station. Ueno Station there. I think those photos were in Ueno now. Rentré à la maison à environ 19h30. Problème avec l'ordinateur. And then, yeah. And then I walked from Kosuge Station back to the house, somewhere there. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video about Tokyo. This one was a bit shorter. There were some days I took less photos and videos. It was still a fun day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you, bye!